Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Troubleshooting No Module Found Error in Python. Introduction. When working with Python, you may encounter the dreaded No Module Found error, indicating that Python cannot locate the module you are trying to import. This tutorial aims to guide you through common reasons for this error and provide solutions to resolve it. The error message typically looks like this. This error occurs when Python cannot find the specified module during the import statement. Ensure that the module is installed in your Python environment. You can use the following command to install a module using pip. Ensure that the module is installed in a directory listed in your Python path. You can print the Python path using the following code. If you are using virtual environments, make sure that you have activated the correct environment where the module is installed. Activate the virtual environment using. Ensure that you are using the correct module name in your import statement. Python is case sensitive, so example_module and example_module are different. Let's consider an example where we encounter the error and apply the troubleshooting steps to resolve it. By following the troubleshooting steps, you can identify the issue and resolve it, whether it's installing the missing module or correcting the virtual environment. The No Module Found error is a common challenge in Python, but understanding the causes and following the troubleshooting steps outlined in this tutorial will help you resolve the issue. Pay attention to module installation, Python path, virtual environments, and module naming to ensure a smooth development experience. ChatGPT. Title, Troubleshooting No Module Found Errors in Python. Introduction. Python's No Module Found error is a common issue encountered by developers when trying to import a module that Python cannot locate. This tutorial aims to guide you through the process of identifying and resolving this error. We'll cover common causes and provide step-by-step solutions. Conclusion. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial, you should be able to identify and resolve No Module Found errors in your Python code. Remember to double-check the module name, sys.path, virtual environments, installation status, and import syntax to ensure a smooth development experience. ChatGPT. Title, Troubleshooting No Module Found Error in Python. Introduction. One common issue that Python developers often encounter is the No Module Found error. This error occurs when the interpreter cannot locate the module you are trying to import in your code. In this tutorial, we will explore common reasons for this error and provide solutions to help you resolve it. Ensure that you are using a compatible Python version for the module you are trying to import. Some modules may only be available for specific Python versions. You can check your Python version by running the following command in your terminal or command prompt. Make sure that the module is installed on your system. You can use the following command to install a module using pip. Replace module_name with the name of the module you are trying to import. If you are using virtual environments, ensure that you have activated the virtual environment before running your script. Activate the virtual environment using. For Windows. For Mac OS/Linux. Check if the module is in the correct directory or if the directory containing the module is in your Python path. You can print the current Python path using the following code snippet. Make sure the directory containing your module is listed in the output. Ensure that the module file has the correct naming convention. Python is case sensitive, so module.py and module.py are considered different modules. Check the spelling and casing of the module name in your import statement. If you are working with a package, a directory containing multiple modules, make sure it includes a file named init.py. This file is required for Python to recognize the directory as a package. If you are using an integrated development environment, IDE, it might have its own settings or cache that can cause import issues. Try restarting your IDE or clearing its cache. By following these troubleshooting steps, you should be able to resolve the no module found error in your Python code. Remember to double-check the installation, virtual environment activation, and path configurations to ensure a smooth importing experience for your modules. ChatGPT